Hello folks, I'm Tushar, the founder of OnPage, and I'm back this week with my next case study on how to monitor your competitors proactively and get inspired from them. My case study today is on KissFlow. It's one of the leading B2B SaaS companies in workflow management software. And today I'll show you what all on-page SEO secrets we can learn from KissFlow. Before I move forward, why I choose KissFlow as my subject today? Let me show you their numbers. KissFlow is a very successful website with almost 400K of monthly traffic. This traffic is growing despite the times we are in, which is an awesome thing. And 50% of this traffic comes through organic results. So KissFlow has more than 10,000 customers and an annual recurring revenue in addition of 10 million US dollars. So let's dig in and explore what we can learn from KissFlow. I am within my OnPage dashboard and I'll now pull out the results for KissFlow. Let's give it some time. Okay, so we have the results being pulled out. So we have the timeline in front of us. This timeline shows all the website changes that happened on KissFlow from the date the tool started tracking it. So we started tracking KissFlow on 5th June 2020. So every Monday we crawl the website and calculate the changes that happened in the last 7 days. So let's see what happened on KissFlow between 5th June and 8th June. A quick look at what KissFlow is doing. So they are publishing content which is very relevant at this time. So you see this content, it's around digital workspaces versus digital workplace. Then KissFlow launches Remote Plus, physical workplace versus digital workplace. I checked these keywords. They don't have a lot of search volume right now, but yes, these keywords will be trending, and I'm sure the volume for these keywords will pick up soon thanks to COVID-19. And if you are offering a similar product or you are in a similar offering of digital workplace, you now know which all topics KissFlow is working on, and maybe you can also start exploring these topics. Fast moving to the next timeline, if I see what happened on KissFlow between 8th June and 15th June. So they made on-page SEO changes to a couple of pages. Particular URL caught my attention, which is around workflow management system. Why? Because KissFlow, in addition to changing H2 and H3, they also added more content in this on this page. So see, for 15th June, the content length of the page was changed from 1600 words to around 2000 words. They changed their H2 and H3 tags. A closer look and you will see that earlier it was more around how you can use maybe KissFlow to streamline the process and then talking about what a workflow management system is, but now they have flipped it and they are talking more about the basic components of workflow, what is workflow management, basic workflow management practices. Quick look at this keyword. So clearly, if I see workflow management system might be the keyword which they are targeting through this URL. And let me check on Google, workflow management system. Yep. See the URL, workflow management system, 10 practices, right? 10 features. And the search volume for this keyword is 390, while the cost per click is almost $23. That's a highly valuable keyword. Plus KissFlow ranks on top for this. I am not sure if they started ranking after making these changes or they were already there. But if KissFlow was my competitor, I would have started tracking this URL by adding the what we say keyword here, workflow management system for, let's say, United States. Click on save. So what will happen every 7 days, in addition to the parameters, the rank for this keyword will also be updated for this particular URL. So I'll know, I can actually decode the ranking trajectory of KissFlow using this functionality. Okay, so the keyword has been added, and while it brings the rank, let's move to 22nd June and see what changed between 15th June and 22nd June. So let me open another URL, which is Visual Project Management, and let's see what they have done to this URL. Okay, so KissFlow changed title and h tags and image alt text, and if we observe closely, they front loaded the keyword. So earlier, I think the keyword is Visual Project Management Tools, which was towards the end, and now they have brought it towards the beginning, and they have remove their brand name. Maybe because that gives them more space to write a long tail keyword. That can be your cue. And what else we can see? So they changed their H1 again. Their focus keyword now is something around visual project management tools. So 6 ways to visualize projects with visual project management tools. Whereas earlier it was getting started with visual project management. So from visual project management, they have moved to visual project management. Let's see what else they did in the week of 22nd June. So let me click on more to see digital workplace trends. See, these are the new URLs which they have added, and they are again talking about digital workplace trends. Why does CEO needs digital workplace? As we talked in the initial part, KissFlow is focusing on the trends which will be folding in the coming months, and you have you have an indication of what they are doing. So that's a cue for you. Uh, let's see the next timeline, which is between 22nd and 29th June. And let me open this project risk management. I am opening it randomly, project risk management, because I see they have changed their title, meta description, H1 and H2. Okay. So again, they were talking about project risk, whereas now the keyword is more around project risk management. Yeah, that's what you can take a cue, because the URL is also about project risk management. Let's see what's the search volume, project risk management. So this keyword has a search volume of 1600 and a cost per click of almost $8. Let's see if KissFlow ranks anywhere. No, KissFlow is not ranking anywhere, and that what I will do is I'll start tracking KissFlow for this keyword, which was risk management software, and every 7 days I'll know what changes KissFlow is making, plus is it resulting in a rank gain or not. And moving to the last thing. So let's say you want to see what all content pieces KissFlow has on a particular topic. You can click here, which is see all, and all their URLs will be visible. I noticed that KissFlow publishes a lot of content around low code development. So let's see what all content pieces KissFlow has on low code development. So this is what they have: 7 entries. Your starter guide to low code development. Starter guide to, okay, these two URLs are the same. Top low code development tools. Low code development tools features. History of low code development platforms. Low code development tools, again the similar keyword. So that way you know how they have created this content silo for low code development, and you can take a lot of inspiration from them. So guys, this is all about how you can monitor your SaaS competitors and learn some of their strategies. If you like the video, do check out www.onpagejam.com and start tracking your competitors. Thanks once again for watching, and I hope to see you on the tool very soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.